It says 2 sine of x cosine of x minus sine of x equals 0. What can I do on this one?
Factor out a sine.
You can do that, yeah.
Yeah, they both have a sign. We've got two terms here. And they both have a sign in it. So we can take a sign out of both of them. So remember, when you take a sign out, you write it on the outside. And then you actually divide it out. So when you divide this side by sign, your signs will cancel. So you're left with 2 cosine of x. Minus, when you divide this one by sign, what's sign divided by sign?
1.
1 equals 0. And so what do you think we can do now?
I don't know.
Now if I distribute the sign, I'm going backwards. Okay? But we've got two things being multiplied here, right? And it's all equal to 0. So we can set them each equal to 0 and solve. So we got sine of x equals 0.
Wouldn't it be negative 1? Okay.
And 2 cosine of x minus 1 equals 0. I'll do the first one, you do the second one.
Oh.
Oh, whatever.
The first half.
Alright, so for yours, you're moving the 1 over. And then you're dividing by 2. And cosine of x equals 1/2, right? Well, let's go ahead and solve that one since we're working on it already. So cosine it's a positive 1/2. So cosine is positive in what quadrants?
1 and 4.
Excuse me, yes, 1 and 4. Cosine is what? X or Y?
X.
So where is x a positive 1/2 in quadrant 1?
Pi over 3.
And what about in quadrant 4?
5 pi over 3.
So there's 2 of my solutions. Now let's go work the other one. Sine of x equals 0. Sine is what? X, well, it's 0, so we don't have to worry about positive or negative, but what is sine? Is it x or y? Alright, so where is y going to equal 0? On the x-axis, right? So where on here, what are my ordered pairs here? 0 and
2 pi and pi.
and let's do pi. 2 pi would be coterminal, so we don't have to list it.
I still don't know what coterminal means.
And they share the same ending sign. Alright, so there's my 4 solutions.